Hello and welcome back to Stripe Modern Business Card Help video. In this video we'll see how to edit text and colors in Adobe InDesign. So let's open up the template in Adobe InDesign. The first thing I want to show you is the layers panel. And here the first two layers, the print info and the info box, are for your information. Those are technical information about the business card and where the bleed and save text area and the cut lines are. So if you're planning on editing a design itself, these two will be necessary. Now, before sending this to be printed, make sure that you delete these two layers so there will be no confusion once you send your business card to be printed. The second thing is, if you watch the tutorial video, introduction video, where we have created our own and new QR code, once you open your InDesign template, you'll go to links panel, and here you'll see this this yellow triangle, which means that it will automatically show you that this QR code has been edited, and all you have to do is just double click on this yellow triangle, and now it's been updated with our own QR code. So now we can start editing the colors in Adobe InDesign. In order to do that, let's open up the swatches panel. If you don't see the swatches panel, go to window and then where is color and then swatches. And once the swatches panel is open, you'll see the colors that have been used in this template. We have white, black, this green, and this blue color. You can ignore the cut line, text safety, zero area, bleed colors because they are the colors for the info layer and the print info layer, info box and print info layer. Now, you can modify elements here by selecting each individual element. Then you double click here on the fill icon and you either add your own values here, or you can change the colors by using this color space view. But the easiest way to change the colors, if you want to change the color scheme throughout the entire design, is to make sure you haven't selected anything, and then just double click on the color you wish to change. Make sure you have the preview button checked, and you can either use the sliders and play with the colors, or you can just add your own values here if you already know the values of the color that you'd be using. And that's how you change the colors throughout the entire design. Now, when it comes to changing the color of the text, of course it will be changed once you change the color of design. It is connected to the rest of the design. But let's say you just want to change the color of the text here. You want to change it separately than other black color used in this design. If you just select the text frame, and let's say we're going to use this outline color, and click on the color, as you can see it's going to color the frame and not the text itself. In order to activate the text so you can change the colors, is you select the text frame and then press this little T button that is right beneath fill and stroke here in the tools panel. And now the text that has been selected, you can just either type in your own text and then change the colors, or you can just now press the color, and as you can see it will automatically change to what you want it to be. So that's the way of changing the colors when it comes to the text and text frames. Now when it comes to editing the text, the simple way of doing it, just double click on the text layer, select your text, and type in or paste your own values, or you can use the keyboard shortcut. You just press T on your keyboard and it will automatically activate the type tool. And now that you're once you hover over the text that can be edited, just select it and edit your own text. The only other thing that is left when it comes to talking about the text is editing the properties of the font itself. And in order to do that, we'll need to open the character panel. We go to Window, type in Tables, Character, and now that we have text selected, when we select the text, we can change the font properties of that text. We can change the font itself, we can change the style, let's say we make it bold italic, and we can change all of these different elements like kerning or size, leading, etc. You can play with the character panel and see what other text font properties you can change. Okay, that was it for this video. In the next video, we'll see how to edit the template in Adobe Photoshop. See you!